What's going on, guys? My name is Joey. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about your RGB lighting setups, how to set up RGB lightings, which RGBs you should buy, because there's like, you know, a lot of different kinds of RGBs you could buy out there, and the easiest way to hook them up to your system. So today we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how I basically set this up, and we're going to go through, you know, the steps involved for doing so. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, guys, you're going to want to know which RGB you want to buy. There's different kinds of RGBs. Different RGBs do many different things. Some of them follow the sound, some of them don't. Some of them you have to control them with a controller. It's always a different story. So in this video, I want to show you guys how to hook them up, and we're going to go through a lot of examples of different setups that actually use RGBs. Now, I mean, we've all been there. If you go on Amazon and you just type in RGB, there's a lot of stuff that shows up, and there's different, you know, there's different brands that'll sell them. Like Goovy, I've definitely bought this one. This is a really good brand. I highly recommend. Juxiao, I've never bought that one, but you know what? RGBs are RGBs. If they have the sensor and a controller and it comes with an app, you're paying for a premium price to, you know, control your lights with the app. Now, I don't really need the app. You know, the Goovy ones follow the sound of light, and the difference between the prices of RGB is that, I don't know if you can tell, but some RGBs are only one color and will switch to another color. You know, a premium brand like Goovy will have different RGBs that can go from different colors, and you could do different things with it. And it's just a better look for different people. So basically the 4-pin connectors will connect your 4-pin RGBs, right? And this kit here is sold on Amazon. There's a lot of them. You know what? In the link in the description below will be all the links to all the RGBs that I've used and that I recommend with the connector kits if you guys don't know how to solder. Because there's just a never-ending amount of RGBs. There's like, you'll go crazy trying to find out which RGBs. So personally, I've bought the cheapest ones and I've bought more expensive ones throughout the years. And personally, the expensive ones and the cheap ones, I don't even know which is which in my setup right now. So go for the cheap ones if you're on a budget. Don't worry about, you know, them breaking, because you're probably going to make mistakes and you're probably going to short out your first RGB light strip like I did, right? You could be totally lazy too and literally unroll the whole RGB. Like, you could take your whole roll of RGB, literally, and wrap it around something. I can wrap this around my drum set, and boom, you got yourself some RGBs that look good in your background while you're streaming, right? All right, so this is pretty cool, right? The whole roll of RGB is literally rolled out on me, and I can change the color with the controller. This is a cool color. Yeah, and basically they all do the same things, right? So this is the basic RGBs. All right, so basically, guys, if you're looking to upgrade your setup, you're gonna want to put some RGBs or some sort of lighting. In the description below, you'll find a big list of RGBs that you guys can use in your setups. So that's all for today, guys. I'm Joey. See you guys next time. Peace out.